Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's figure out what fraction is halfway between 3/8 and 1/2. So what we'll do is we'll add these together, then divide by 2. Since we don't have a common denominator, we need to find one, and 2 goes into 8. So let's go ahead and do this. 8 times 1 is 8. Remember what we do to the denominator, we need to do the same to the numerator. 3 times 1 is 3, so it remains the same. And then 2 goes into 8 4 times. So we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. So that gives us 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So that gives us 4/8. This was 1 times 4 is 4. So now let's add these together. Okay, so we have 3/8 plus 4/8. Now since we have a common denominator, just add straight across. So that gives us 7/8. Okay, now we're going to divide by 2, and I'm just going to write 2 over 1 because that equals 2. And instead of dividing, I'm going to keep change and flip. I'm going to keep, wrote this wrong, 7/8. I'm going to change the sign, and I'm going to flip the last fraction. So instead of 2 over 1, it will be its reciprocal, 1/2. When we multiply this together, 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 2 is 16. It is simplified because 7 is prime. So the fraction halfway between 3/8 and 1/2 is 7/16. I hope that was helpful.